In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best electric bikes for under $500. So, you looking for the best LCD displays, hydraulic brakes, impressive battery range, good performing motor, electric bikes that will have the right product for you. We have listed them based on features, quality, and price. If you want more information and updates on pricing mentioned on the product, be sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Schwinn Folding Electric Bike. A motorcycle that simplifies urban cycling with a loop by Schwinn. The ARC has a folding steel frame that is exceptionally suitable for both durable and limited people storehouse space. 7-speed twist shifter provides smooth gear changes, while front and rear linear pull brakes provide a safe stop. 20-inch alloy wheels and tires are ideal for your weekend getaway. This includes a heavy gauge that makes a rear carrier with a nylon bag. It's easy to carry your bags, groceries, or anything. When you're done, that's all. Fold the bike straight into its ultra-compact storage. And you can remove it until it's time to leave. Again, like all Schwinn bikes, the loop comes with a limit. Lifetime warranty as long as you have a motorcycle. Number 2, Sailnovo Electric Bike. It combines 3 modes of your choice: electric bike mode, pedal assist mode, and conventional bikes mode. Enjoy your trip with this folding electric bike even during traffic jams. 14-inch air-filled tires provide excellent cycling stability and are equipped with double disc brakes at the front and rear to provide powerful brakes and keep you safe. Horn and bright LED headlamps are equipped to protect the night ride. This electric bike has a 36-volt 10.4 lithium battery and a built-in 350-watt high-speed brushless motor. It's a maximum speed of 18.5 miles per hour with a mileage of 28 to 45 miles. It is up to 18.5 miles on a single charge. And you can easily read the battery and speed on the LCD control panel, which makes your electric bicycle journey easier. The height-adjusting seat gives you complete control over the comfort level of your adventure. Meanwhile, the quick folding design makes it easy to fit into the car's trunk, saving more space for storage or transportation. Number 3, ENGWE Electric Bikes. Its 26-inch Glory tires can provide a stable riding experience. Its front fork has involuntary spring shock absorbers. The shock-absorbing effect is evident in mountain riding. The 250-watt motor allows you to travel at a speed of 17 miles per hour in pure electric mode. Maximum mileage is up to 20 per hour and easy to charge. Its professional 21-speed gears and front and rear disc brakes can give you good braking when you go down the off-road and ensure your safety. Its 36-volt 8Ah battery ensures you can wander around your community or explore nature freely. The adjustable seat allows each user to ride with ease. It has 3 electric modes: pure electric mode and normal mode. You can choose the power mode according to your needs. It does not require a much complicated process and can be changed at will. Combining the 2 methods would be a better choice. In urban works, you can use it as transportation, green travel, avoid overcrowding, save energy and decrease emissions. In the countryside, you can go on an adventure with a few good friends, discover nature, and grow friendships. 85% of ENGWE's electric bicycles are installed. After receiving it, you can use it with a simple installation. Number 4, Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Bike. With bolts, you will definitely make it last longer. Sweet shape, lightweight frame, and a compact body, it's time to turn your everyday journey into everyday fun. With a powerful 250-watt electric motor you can zip around the city in a style. An easy-to-carry handle is constructed into the middle of the frame to make handling easier and more balanced. This way you can get it. A nice LCD screen gives you a simple and easy-to-see visual interface to show you the battery life. The LED headlights shine on the road ahead of you, which makes you look good. It has a maximum range of 15 miles of rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Visit your neighborhood or enjoy your trip on a single battery charge. Number 5, Royce Union Electric Bike. The RTT Men's 26-inch mountain bike will quench your thirst for great fun outside. It has a delicate sturdy aluminum frame that never rusts, front suspension, for easy consumption of fragments and uneven terrain, easy-to-use linear pull brakes, and accurate, smooth trigger shifting with 21 speeds. Enjoy simple freedom with smooth gear changes. This bike provides 21 speeds with a complete Shimano drivetrain. The Shimano Easy Fire Plus trigger combines with the Shimano Tourney TY300 rear derailleur to provide efficient and precise shifting. So smooth and easy your index finger and thumb trigger gear change so that your hands never let go of the handlebar. A removable back derailleur guard protects the gears from damage. It's the best bike for adrenaline-soaked adventures and uneven. We hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos and the latest information. Please write your opinion in the comments section.